Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a plus a divided by a multiplied by a is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now in the first method, here you see that in the denominator we have a is multiplied by 2 times. So we know that when two same variable terms multiplied by each other, we add its exponents, and the exponent of both of these two terms are 1. It means that when we multiply these two terms, it will becomes here a square. And likewise here you see that two same variable terms are added by each other, so here we need to add the coefficients of both of these two terms, and we get a plus a becomes 2 times of a, and this whole equation is equals to 0, is equals to 4. So further in the next step we need to move this a square to the right hand side, and it is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 4, and it will becomes here 2a is equals to 4 times of a square. And further in the next step, here we move this 2a to the right hand side, and it will be written as 4 times of a square. This is plus 2a becomes minus 2a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve 2a. So here we need to take common 2a, and when we take common 2a, we get the remaining values are, from here we get 2, and from this a square we get a, minus when we take common this 2a, we will get here 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 2a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 2a minus 1 is equals to 0. And from here we need to get the values of a. So for this we divide both of the sides by 2, and when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will be written as this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we will get here a is equals to, this is 0 divided by 2, and we know that when we divide 0 by any other number, it is always get 0. So here we get the first value of a is equals to 0. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this equation. So from here we move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2a is equals to 1. And here we again divide both of the sides by 2, and it will becomes, this is 2a divided by 2 equals 1 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we will get here a is equals to 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of a. And further in the next step we need to check that is both of these two values are solution, or both of these two values are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus a divided by a multiplied by a is equals to 4. So here in this side we will be verify a is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 1 over 2. So here we just when we put a equals to 0 into the left hand side, it will be written as 0 plus 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 4. And here we need more simplifications, and you see here 0 plus 0 becomes 0 over 0 equals to 4. So here you see that in the left hand side we have 0 over 0 form. It is usually called that it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that our left hand side is undefined. So If our left hand side is undefined, it means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so we conclude about a equals to 0 is that a equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So that we will call a equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and further in the next step we need to verify the second value of a. So here we put a equals to 1 over 2 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equals to 4. And in the next step we need to take LCM of the numerator term, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, we get here 1 plus 1 is equals to 4, and it is divided by this is 1 times 1 becomes 1, and 2 times 2 becomes here 4. So here we need more simplification, and it will be written as this is 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So this 2 is here we write it as 2 over 2 multiplied by this 1 over 4 is written as 4 over 1 equals to 4. So these two values are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 4 equals to 4. So this means that the second value of a is satisfied our given question statement. So here finally we conclude about that the solution set of this question is a equals to 1 over 2. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and in the next step we again solve this problem for second method, and in the second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is a plus a divided by a multiplied by a is equals to 4. And here our second method is the very straightforward method. So here we just directly find the values of a. So here you see that this is a plus a becomes 2a, and this is a multiplied by a becomes a square equals to 4. So this a is cancelled out by this a, and we get here 2 over a equals to 4. And here our target is to find the value of a, so that we move this a to the right hand side and we move this 4 to the left hand side, and it will becomes here 2 divided by 4 equals to a. So this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here our a is equals to 1 over 2. So this is the value of a which we get here from second method, but already in the first method we verified that this value of a satisfied our given question statement, so that the final solution set of this question is a equals to 1 over 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.